Hey there, if you own a home, then there is no doubt that the thought of selling it has crossed your mind at some point. But when things get real and you finally make that decision that the time is now and you're ready to sell, then what are you going to do? Well, when you first start digging into it, you'll quickly discover that there are a lot of choices out there and it can be really overwhelming. There are a ton of things to consider when selling your house, such as what kind of condition is my property in? How am I going to price it? What are the current market trends? And most importantly, who can I trust to help me with this? Coming up, we're going to guide you through the maze and provide some expert tips so that you can avoid costly mistakes and keep your stress levels in check when going through the home selling process. I'm Tony. This is the Real Estate Rundown. Let's get started.
In today's digital age, the world of home selling has expanded far beyond the traditional methods. Social media platforms are buzzing with advertisers, each promising to be the best choice for your needs. But as you scroll through these ads, a sense of déjà vu sets in. The promises start to sound the same, the faces blend together, and you're left wondering, can I really trust any of these actors with my home? It's a valid concern. After all, your home isn't just a structure made of bricks and mortar. It's a repository of memories, a symbol of your hard work, and most likely, your most significant financial asset. The decision to sell is not just about changing your address. It's about ensuring that your future is secure and your past is respected. So, how do you navigate this sea of shameless repetition and find a trustworthy partner for your home selling journey? The answer lies in understanding the game and knowing the players. Stay with us as we peel back the layers of this specialized real estate marketing. We'll expose the tactics used by some to dazzle you and reveal the strategies you can employ to see through the fluff. As we delve into these topics, you'll gain the confidence to ask the right questions, the knowledge to understand the answers, and the wisdom to make good choices. Selling your home is a big deal, but with the right guidance, it doesn't have to be a leap into the unknown. Turning the daunting task of selling your home into a well-informed, strategic process can ultimately be a rewarding experience. Remember, in the world of real estate, knowledge is not just power, it's peace of mind. This definitive guide to selling your home in the age of social media is a great road atlas, so let's open it up. When it comes to choosing a real estate professional, credibility is key. But how can you assess this? Start by checking their online presence. A credible agent will have a professional website, active social media profiles, and a strong presence on real estate platforms. Look for reviews and ratings from previous clients, but take them with a grain of salt. Dig deeper by asking for references and actually speaking to past clients. When you meet with potential wholesale buyers or real estate agents, arm yourself with the right questions. Ask about their experience in your specific market, their marketing strategy for your home, and the support team they have in place. How they respond is just as important as what they say. Are they transparent? Do they provide detailed answers? A credible professional will welcome your questions and address your concerns without hesitation. Understanding the fine print in agreements is crucial. Pay close attention to the commission structure, the duration of the agreement, and any clauses related to cancellation or unsatisfactory performance. Don't be shy about asking for clarifications. If you are considering one of those no commission deals, then ask how they get paid. A trustworthy professional will patiently explain the terms and ensure that you are fully comfortable before you sign any documents. An advertiser that promotes a strategy of fast cash, offers with no commissions, no fees, no repairs, and other similar catchphrases is often a wholesaler. Wholesalers will typically offer a price at or near the bottom of the value bracket for your neighborhood. Be sure to ask for proof of funds from these folks, and also ask them if they actually intend to close the deal with you, or are they going to assign the contract for a fee to someone in their network of investors in order to close the deal. Depending upon the situation, such as an inheritance, a pending foreclosure, or a distressed property, this may be a viable option. Keep in mind that wholesalers are not required to have a real estate license, and many don't. A wholesaler that does have an active real estate license is typically more accountable. Now, let's talk about deals that seem too good to be true. Be wary of promises of an unrealistically high selling price or guarantees of a sale within an implausibly short time frame. If you interview more than one professional, as you should, and if the price they suggest seems considerably higher than the others, then raise your flag. Whether you are interviewing a licensed agent or an investor buyer, beware of the real estate professional that suggests an unusually high list price or offers an unusually high purchase price. Also, be on the lookout for someone that promises to close the deal in just a few days. These players are more likely to leave you disappointed when they begin requesting price reductions or close date extensions, or both. The reality is that real estate is a market governed by trends and economics, not miracles. Finally, if the offer involves upfront fees or they pressure you to make a quick decision, then it's time to step back and reassess. Selling your home is a significant decision, and it's natural to feel overwhelmed. But remember, knowledge is your greatest ally. By asking the right questions, critically evaluating the answers, and trusting your instincts, you can navigate this journey with confidence. Your home is more than a property. It's a chapter of your life. Approach its sale with the care and diligence it deserves. Empower yourself with knowledge and move forward with confidence. You're not just selling a house. You are ensuring that the legacy of your home is respected and that your future is secure. In the journey of home selling, being well-informed is the cornerstone of making good decisions that lead to success and satisfaction. This whole process is more than a transaction. It's a life-changing decision. And in this digital age, where choices are many and voices are loud, having the right information is your map to navigating the maze with confidence. Well, that's it for today. If you found this information to be helpful, then let us know in the comments below so that we can continue to create the kind of quality real estate related content that you are looking for.